I must notify you that you have been deceived if you think that growing older just means losing confidence, energy, and the ability to sleep through the night. Most guys overlook the possibility that an irritated gland is the true reason of your disturbed sleep and shattered confidence. I'm referring to your prostate till it's too late. I'm Dr. Mariah, a men's health and urology expert with over 30 years of experience assisting men just like you in regaining their health through natural means. You may believe you've heard it all, but what if your kitchen held the answer to your problems with intimacy, weak flow, and frequent nighttime toilet breaks? What if there were 5 easy fruits that might help you feel more like yourself, reduce the size of your prostate, and increase blood flow? I'll walk you through the top 5 fruits for prostate health in this video, all of which have scientific backing. In less than 18 hours, one of them can begin to reduce inflammation and restore comfort. And you'll be surprised by the fruit that ranks first on our list. It's likely that you have consumed it throughout your life without understanding its full potential. I encourage you to subscribe right away if you haven't already. And don't forget to press the notification bell before we begin. In this manner, you'll never miss any Dr. Back advice tailored to men just like you. And please leave a comment if this video speaks to you. If not, enter 0 so that I can continue to get better and provide stuff that is actually important. Let's begin this adventure with the first fruit, a tiny green powerhouse that is highly effective in reducing inflammation in the deep prostate, yet is frequently disregarded. We'll start our countdown at number 5 with a fruit that most guys don't think of, but it's actually one of the finest first defenses against inflammation in the prostate. I am referring to kiwis. I've observed a pattern throughout my career: weak flow, decreased abdominal pressure, and frequent overnight urination, all of which are caused by chronic inflammation that goes unnoticed. And your fruit bowl is frequently the answer. Kiwi is a powerful antioxidant and vitamin C supplement that targets the oxidative stress that causes your prostate to swell and irritate. Your urethra is pinched by the enlargement, which keeps you shackled to the restroom. I recall a patient who incorporated just 2 kiwis each day into his daily regimen. After a few weeks, he returned to my office and said, "Dr. Mariah, I'm sleeping through the night for the first time in years. It's easy to use, easy on the stomach, and efficient. Its fiber also aids in hormone balance, which lessens the strain on your prostate. Kiwi reduces inflammation. However, the 4th fruit on the list is more significant. It actively defends both your masculinity and your cells. Let's get started." Charles, a man in his early 60s, approached me, I recall. More than all, he was weary of feeling like he was gradually losing his masculinity. He was weary of the incessant urgency and the feeble flow. "Doctor," he replied, "I just don't feel sharp anymore. Not in my body. Not in my mind." I asked him a straightforward question after we sat down and discussed his lifestyle. "You're giving your cells what?" Since prostate health encompasses more than simply the prostate, most men don't think about this subject. It's about cellular defense for your body, and blueberries can help with that. I refer to them as antioxidant warriors, and they are now among my best suggestions for men who wish to regain energy as well as function. Despite their tiny size, blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, a class of chemicals that are strong antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, the same process that ages and inflames your prostate from the inside out. You're protecting your prostate cells from harm each time you eat a few. You're reducing the long-term inflammation, poor circulation, and age-related invisible wear and tear. Every morning, Charles included a small dish of blueberries in his breakfast. After 2 weeks, he became aware of something small but important. His mind was clearer, he was waking up less at night, and most significantly, he began to feel present once more, with his wife, with his body, and with himself. "I never imagined that fruit might alter my feelings as a man," he subsequently informed me. "Most individuals don't grasp that. Blueberries benefit not only your prostate, but also your blood vessels, brain, and testosterone. They promote greater circulation throughout your lower body, which results in increased oxygen, nutrients, and performance in the bedroom and restroom. Giving your body what it really needs also causes a psychological change. By choosing foods like blueberries, you're telling your body that you're still alive, that you care, and that you haven't given up. And that attitude alone begins to transform everything. Blueberries are easy. They taste great. You may eat them right out of the package, mix them with yogurt, or toss them in oatmeal. The most important thing is consistency. Make them a habit every day. They gradually begin to restore what stress and aging have subtly damaged. The following fruit, however, is the fearless warrior if blueberries are the silent guardians. Ancient and full of scientific and symbolic meaning, it provides something that virtually no other fruit can in terms of cellular healing and male hormone revitalization. Allow me to demonstrate why both contemporary scholars and traditional healers have come to admire this red powerhouse, a pomegranate. Prostate cells are revitalized by the ancestral fruit. The pomegranate has a profoundly symbolic meaning, perhaps because of its structure, which is resistant on the outside but opens to reveal hundreds of ruby crimson seeds. It makes me think of the strong, stoic men I work with every day. However, beyond that facade, there is frequently unspoken pain, stress, unease, and a strong desire to feel alive once again. And I frequently tell my patients that this is the fruit they have been lacking when it comes to cellularly repairing the prostate. Pomegranates aren't in right now. It's classic. It was utilized for ages to restore male strength in ancient medicine. Contemporary science is now catching up. Together with a class of plant nutrients known as polyphenols, it contains a substance called ellagic acid that directly protects and repairs prostate tissue. These substances do more than simply remain in your blood. They focus on oxidative damage, inflammation, and even hormone abnormalities that subtly impair your ability to perform and have energy as you age. Gregory, a 70-year-old retired carpenter, was one of my patients who sought my help after experiencing low testosterone and chronic prostate swelling. He tried certain drugs, but they made him feel exhausted and groggy. I proposed a more straightforward suggestion: half a glass of pure pomegranate juice each morning. Juice? He raised an eyebrow in question. Only juice? I gave a nod. Give it 7 days, please. I will never forget what he said at the end of the second week. Down there, I felt more than just better. Once again, I felt like myself. That is the pomegranate's strength. It begins to soothe the commotion by penetrating deeply into the tissues of your prostate. Many men had increased desire and stamina they hadn't experienced in years, as well as less swelling, less strain on the bladder, and fewer overnight toilet excursions. Pomegranates help circulation, immunity, vitas, and hormone regulation, 3 essential components of robust male health, in addition to the prostate. Additionally, eating the seeds can be a little messy, but the juice makes it simple. Just be sure it's sugar-free, pure, and taken regularly. The goal is not to overburden the body. It's about giving it a little nourishment each day. Pomegranates are beautiful because they are soft and strong. It enables you to regain your sense of balance and connection to the aspect of yourself that you may have believed was lost forever. Much while it's stunning, the next fruit has something much more unexpected to offer. It's delightful. It provides hydration, and in a manner that few foods can. A secret chemical in every luscious bite quietly protects your prostate and increases circulation. Let's examine the potential benefits of this summertime favorite for both the man you are now and the man you will become. The hidden source of lycopene in nature is watermelon. My grandfather used to giggle like a youngster again every summer when I was a child, sitting on the porch with a huge piece of watermelon in his hands and the juice running down his forearms. I simply considered it a cool treat at the time, but now that I've worked with older guys for decades as a doctor, my perspective has changed. One of nature's most potent allies for the aging prostate is that unassuming fruit that so many people take for granted. Medicine doesn't scream from watermelon. Neither a bottle nor a box are included. But there's something amazing in that delicious crimson flesh. The same substance that is present in tomatoes is lycopene. Prostate inflammation is specifically targeted by the powerful antioxidant lycopene. Additionally, watermelon provides it in a form that is easy for the body to absorb, hydrated and mild. Richard, a quiet man in his late 60s, was one of my patients. He was upset about a weak, irregular urine stream and ongoing pressure in his lower abdomen. He didn't want to begin taking medicine just yet. For 2 weeks, I advised him to attempt something easy. Every afternoon, a big slice of watermelon. Nothing special, just regularity. He appeared different, calmer, and more energized when he returned. I didn't expect much, but I feel lighter, less heavy, and I'm sleeping through the night, he added with a smile. Watermelon is more than just a refreshing fruit. In addition to flushing your kidneys and eliminating toxins that frequently cause discomfort and inflammation in the urinary tract, it deeply moisturizes your body. Its high water content facilitates smoother urination and reduces the annoying stop and start sensation that many men encounter. The true magic, however, is in the subtle way it improves circulation throughout your entire vascular system, not just in your pelvis. Additionally, improved circulation results in improved hormone flow, oxygen delivery, and yes, erections. Through natural patient nutrition, rather than medications or intrusive procedures, I have witnessed men regain their confidence, performance, and sensation. Watermelon is a symbol of that. It's well known but underappreciated, soft but powerful. Therefore, keep in mind that you're doing more than just satisfying your palate the next time you cut a piece. Deeper down, you're re-establishing something vital. Our favorite fruit, the next one, blasts the door open to healing if watermelon does, because it contains the largest known amount of lycopene, which protects the prostate, even though most men consider it to be just a kitchen staple. Additionally, if properly prepared, it might begin to function in your body within a day. Allow me to demonstrate why this underappreciated red fruit could be your most effective tool ever. These fruits are a fantastic beginning, but in order to really speed up outcomes, we must address the underlying cause of the issue before displaying the finished product. I would want to reveal a significant discovery at that point. This 10-second technique, which I refer to as the ice vitamin, has demonstrated amazing success in reducing an enlarged prostate and relieving the most annoying symptoms, such as dribbling and the incessant urge to urinate. All of this is achievable without turning to pricey prescription remedies, which frequently have a lengthy list of negative consequences. Because these natural solutions jeopardize its earnings, the industry would rather keep them a secret. I thus suggest that you view this little presentation that has been made for you if you're annoyed that you can't sleep or ashamed that you have to go to the restroom right away. In the first comment, the link is pinned. Click to view it now, then return to finish the last dish. We've arrived at the most popular fruit on our voyage, and it's not exotic. You probably have it in your kitchen at the moment. The best fruit for quickly reducing your prostate is the tomato. The remarkable healing potential of something so basic, like a silent item on your kitchen counter, continues to astound me. It's a simple tomato. It's not that expensive. Nevertheless, it is far superior to the others when it comes to reducing prostate size and reviving a guy. I've reviewed research, spoken with people, and witnessed tangible outcomes for years, and again, tomatoes win out. Why? Because they have the highest quantity of lycopene, a vitamin that actively shields your prostate cells from long-term damage and overgrowth, in addition to reducing inflammation. However, the majority of men are unaware of this secret. When the tomato is cooked, its strength is released. Heating the tomato increases the absorption of lycopene by up to 4 times, making something as basic as a tablespoon of tomato paste or a bowl of tomato soup into a medicinal food. One of nature's most potent remedies for the male body can be made by adding a little olive oil. I recall Martin, an 82-year-old retired farmer who was one of my oldest patients. He was tired of waking up all the time to urinate and didn't want to depend on any more drugs. Thus, we kept things straightforward. Like his mother used to do, he began to start each day with a warm cup of tomato soup. He smiled when he entered my office 2 weeks later and remarked, "Dr. Mariah, it feels like something has been turned on again." The problem with tomatoes is that they serve as fuel for your hormones, circulation, and masculinity. They are more than just food. They eventually aid in lowering prostate enlargement, enhancing urine flow, and even increasing the frequency and force of erections in the morning. They provide your body with the basic resources it needs to heal itself, not because they are magical. Vitamins C, K, and potassium, which are abundant in tomatoes, also help to maintain healthy blood pressure, a strong immune system, and tissue healing. However, the most significant effect is produced by lycopene. I advise all men over 60 to develop a habit around it because of this. Consistency is the key to transformation, whether it's marinara sauce on vegetables, tomato juice with a dash of salt, or simply a tablespoon of concentrated tomato paste. The true question is, what happens when you combine this simple fruit with the others, now that you are aware of its power? What changes can occur in your body when kiwi, blueberries, pomegranate, watermelon, and tomato all work together? Because there isn't a single fruit that contains the answer, my friend. It lies in how you apply them to create a solid base of vigor, strength, and self-assurance. And when this movie comes to a close, I want to leave you with optimism, which is even more potent than lycopene. Let's discuss what can be achieved by putting this information into practice. I want you to take a deep breath and realize something crucial if you've read this far. It's quite unlikely that your body has given up on you. All of your pains, overnight toilet breaks, and moments of uncertainty about your masculinity or strength are simply warning signs. Signs that your body is requesting assistance rather than giving up. We haven't discussed theory today. Your prostate has probably been yearning this genuine, all-natural, and tested support for years. Kiwi provides fiber and potent vitamin C to help reduce inflammation. Antioxidants included in blueberries can preserve your prostate and improve mental clarity. Pomegranates assist control your hormones and replenish your cells. In addition to providing a special kind of lycopene that relieves urinary stress, watermelon moisturizes. And the most effective fruit for lowering edema and reviving circulation from the inside out is the tomato, a fruit that is common, unassuming, and greatly underappreciated. It is not difficult to locate any of these fruits. No prescription is needed for any of them. However, when used regularly, they can have a cascading impact that alters your mood, sleep patterns, movement patterns, and appearance throughout the most intimate times of your life. Hundreds of men, some younger, some well into their 80s, have walked this route with me. I can also tell you that taking a medicine isn't usually the first step toward healing. Sometimes it begins with a healthier breakfast, a piece of fruit, and the conviction that you are still worthy of being cared for. You now have an option. We all develop when we share. So please share what you learned today and what change you're ready to make in the comments box below. Let's support each other. If you found this movie useful, or if it even slightly opened your eyes, please click the like button. To be sure you don't miss any information that could change your health, click subscribe. Before you go, ring the bell. If this video was helpful, please enter 1. If not, enter 0. You might not be aware of the significance of your comment. Science has been explained to you. The stories have been told to you. And begin with any one of these fruits that appeals to you. Your next mouthful can be the start of your new chapter. I sincerely appreciate your confidence in me and your permission to share this information. Please like and share this video if it was helpful. Help more men who deserve to feel wonderful again hear our message. It's not about going back in time, remember. It's about making the most of the amazing man you are now. Be careful.